My name's Monica Kang from InnovatorsBox, your creativity gym. And I'm excited today to introduce you to ReImagine, your habit building game that you are going to love. The simple gist is this: building good habits, we all want it, but it's really hard. And what I found is that it's always hard to try to do something different from the start. So that's where you're going to have ReImagine as a help. Use this because you have now 60 different prompts to do something different regularly in your existing routine. Something as simple as say no today to the things you want to say no to instead of maybe. Or hold your meeting outside a meeting room today. And we created these beautiful mini notebooks that are empty with inspirational messages from us so that you are inspired to take notes and hold accountable of your journey of reimagining what is possible. So let's get started.